Traders, we are looking at the EURCAD daily time frame. Okay, we've broken structure, bullish, right here, BOS. I'm looking for continuation, and if that's the case, it'll be, I'll be targeting this high up here. So I'm looking at this prior range, high to low, now trading bullish. Let's just have a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so we've got this break on the 4-hour, as you can see. Okay, this is the range that I'm interested in, the trading range at the moment. So we can just mark that up, and a target here. Okay, so I'm looking at potential entry point. Well, we could pick up a Fibonacci, pull it from low to high, and look at a possible buy. Well, we've got this 4-hour bullish accumulation range down in here, right? So I might set up a buy possibly around this level here, something like that. Target, well, give it a bit of room, and I'd even go for this high up here. Right, so we've got a potential 3.6R. Stop loss, I'm just going slightly under this red candle here, so I'll just mark that up as a support zone. Go okay. Alright, entry point if it pulls back down into this bullish order block, and you could look to take partial profits at this level here, all right, at this current high. So that could be a T1. Let's just mark that up. T1, first target. T2 would be this 50%. So if we pull a line from this swing low to swing high, pull back to 50, and then extend, so we get this A, B, C, D measured move. Well, that would work for a TP level for me, and it coincides with this bearish order block here. Right, so there's a resistance level, so that would make sense. All right, possibly TP slightly under. So we've got T1. Let me just change the color of that. Go white, copy that, paste, and we've got a T2 slightly under this bullish, bearish, bear with me for a sec, order block, T2, and then ultimate target would be up in here, so we could mark that up as a T3. Alright, so if you're into taking partials, I would do that at T1, and at that point I'd pull my stop loss up to break even, slightly better than break even, okay, after T1. So we're looking at this move here, come back down, retest, and continuation potentially. I think the most important thing is possibly closing however much, 50% of your position at T1, stop loss at break even, and at that point it is risk free and you're in the money at this level here. Okay, so stop loss to break even is in the money with partial profits. Okay, something like that. That would make sense. Bring to front. All right, there's a bit of a plan, something like that. Guys, that's my take on the EURCAD. If you've gained something, definitely leave a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.